Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. In this video, I will show you how to update a row in Excel file using Pandas and also how to delete a row from Excel file using Pandas. And to do those operations, we need two different modules. One is Pandas, other is OpenPyXL. So go to the computer screen using Python. Ideally, I will show you these two operations separately step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python ideally, and here I'm just write the code for two operations. One is modify Excel data using Pandas and also delete rows from Excel file using Pandas. Okay, so at first we write here import Pandas as PD. So we are just create the alias of Pandas module and then just write df equal, and then we just call that pd dot read underscore excel. So what actually does by this read underscore excel, this particular function? This function is actually read the Excel file and load the data in a data frame object. Okay, so in my previous video I have already told I took this particular Excel file which is just stored in my E drive ML folder, name is example. So the particular Excel file contains this table: EMP ID, name, age, mobile number, city, gender. Okay, so we took this path for particular this example dot XLS file is concerned. So just right click into there and then just copy path. Okay, and now we just go to our code and just paste it, and we put extra backslash here. Okay, and then we put another argument, just write engine equal, and within double quote just write the engine name is OpenPyXL. Means here we are using another module which is OpenPyXL. Okay, now what happened, we now read the data from the Excel and just load it into a data frame object. Okay, now we modify a row. Suppose we want to modify the row is concerned. Suppose we modify the row this E003, name is Provadas, and we want to change the city of this Provadas from Bihar to Bengaluru. Okay, so we just modify this row, this particular value of city from Bihar to Bengaluru. Okay, so in that case we just close this and then we just write here at first df dot loc. Okay, and within square bracket we just write again df and again open another square bracket and just write the field name is name, and now close this square bracket at first and just write equal and what the name of the particular employee is the Prova dash. So just write Prova dash, then double quote end, and then just put a comma, and we want to change the column, and then we just write here city because we want to change the city of the Provadas from Bihar to Bengaluru. Then close this square bracket and then just write equal, and within double quote just like Bengaluru. Okay, and then double quote end. Okay, now we already changed the city from Bihar to Bengaluru, means we have modified the row in the Excel file. Okay, now we want to save it into the Excel file, then we need to underscore Excel, this particular method. Okay, so in that case we just call df dot to underscore Excel, and then we send again the path. So we just copy it, the Excel file path, just copy here and then put comma and then just write index equal false. Why? We already told, because we don't need to write the row index within the Excel file. That's why we just write index equal to false, means we don't need to write within the Excel file. That's why we write here index equal to false. Okay, and then just write engine equal, just write OpenPyXL, double quotant, parenthesis close, and then we just write print, and it should just print in the cell that row updated successfully, double quotant, parenthesis close. Save it within the file pa3.py, just press F5 and just see row updated successfully. Now we just go to the particular Excel file, because we save it within the Excel file, just double click into there and just checked it's changed or not. Yes, the Provadas, the city is changed to Bengaluru here. Okay, that means we can update using this particular code using Pandas, that which can update our Excel file value, right? So in that way we can update our Excel files. How? Just use this df.loc, this particular process through which we can change any particular row is concerned, we can modify its value. So here we change the city from Bihar to Bengaluru, right? Now we are go for the another operation, we can delete some particular row is concerned. Okay, the updated file is concerned, there is a E006, Shanu De is there, age 28, have the mobile number, city is Malda, gender male. We want to remove this particular row. Now in that case we are actually delete from the Excel file using some Pandas code. Okay, now how to do that? In that case we change our code here, so we don't need to write this one. So instead of that we just write here in that way. So delete row from Excel file using Pandas, we just write here in that way, df equal to df, and then in a square bracket just write again df, and within again the square bracket just write within double quote the column name is name. Okay, and then we close this square bracket and then just write not equal, and what the name of the employee, Shanu De, just write here Shanu De. Okay, then double quotant, then close this square bracket, and same way again we save the changes within the Excel file, then we just use to_Excel method, same path and same way, index equal to false. Why? We don't need to write the row index within the Excel file. Okay, now we just change here print row updated successfully, not we do that. So in there we just write row deleted, row deleted successfully. Okay, and then we save it same way within the file pa3.py, just press F5, just check row deleted successfully. So now again we open the Excel file again and just checked this particular Shanu De, this row is there or not. No, the row is no more. E005, next is E006 should be, which is Shanu De, but the Shanu De, this row is not present here. Why? Because we delete the row using this particular code, using this df within square bracket df, and checked name which is not equal to Shanu. This will be just updated and saved within the Excel file, right? So I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is two different operations. One is update some rows value in the Excel file using Pandas module, and also delete some rows from the Excel file using the Pandas module, and also use the OpenPyXL this module also. Okay, I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.